favorite friends. It's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created this channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's something that you're looking for, you are in the right place at the right time. So I do just want to welcome everybody to my channel, whether you are a new subscriber or a returning subscriber. I'm just so grateful that you guys decided to come and spend some time with me today and really take your Forex education seriously. Now, I really want to help you guys make money from this because it is possible. If you've been struggling with your trading, maybe you just haven't found the right mentor or right videos to help you pinpoint what you're doing wrong. But I do want to make this as easy as possible for you to understand so that you can start to get results. Now, if you are looking for a mentor, somebody who's going to hold you accountable, I do offer personal mentorship through my e-learning platform called The Money Mantra, and you can register to be mentored for 3 months, 6 months, or choose the lifetime access option. Now, this is a self-guided program. However, I do host live classes every Sunday at 6 p.m. just to give you guys some insights and things that you may not have seen and to overall just help you become a better trader. So if that's something that you're looking for, the information is down below in the description box. If you want to come over to Instagram and say hey to me and see what I'm up to, you can follow me. And my information is at Money Mantra Cha. I only have one page, so don't be confused by the scammers. So in today's quick video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to trade the news. I do have a longer video on this called Forex Factory Explained, but we're going to make this one a bite-sized version that you can really understand and see how simple it can be, especially if you haven't really found your footing in trading yet. So the news website that I like to use is called forexfactory.com. It's spelled exactly how it sounds, forexfactory.com. And this is where I come to check the news before I enter my trades. Now, I do this little breakdown in a couple of different videos just to let you guys know what type of action you can expect by the different color folders under impact on Forex Factory. Now, in Forex Factory, it tells you the date, it tells you the time the news is coming out, it tells you the currency that the news is about, and the color folders also tell you the impact that that news will have on the currency. So if you traded before, you know that the market doesn't ever go one way. The standard movement of the market is to go up and down like this. Now, if you see a yellow folder, the yellow folder will mirror what the typical market does. This is regular impact news. It's nothing crazy, and you can't really expect too many spikes or surprising movements. Now, when you get an orange folder, this is medium impact news. So you may have a couple of breakouts where you think the market is going to change direction, but then it just corrects itself and goes back to normal. Now, when you have a red folder, this is considered high impact news where the market may be going normal, but once the news comes out, the market will do an extreme movement where the structure is completely broken and a reversal may actually happen. Now, I'm going to show you guys something super cool about trading the news, especially when it comes to forexfactory.com. And we're going to use this specific trade of AUD USD from February 27th at 7:30 p.m. Now, how you actually want to trade the news is you want to click on the folder at the time, and this is before the news actually comes out. You want to make sure if you want to be a news trader, you're scheduling your trading sessions around these news events. So I'm going to click on AUD USD. Now, before the news came out, it was forecasted at 3.6%. And this is really important because when you look at the specs, right, for this particular news, it tells you exactly how this news is going to affect the currency. So when it says actual greater than forecast is good for currency, this literally means that if the actual, right, which is in this column, is greater or higher than what was forecasted, you're probably going to want to enter that trade for a buy. Now, if the actual is worse than the forecast, then of course you will be entering that trade for a sell. So we can see that at 7:30 p.m. on February 27th, 2024, the forecast was 3.6%, but the actual was 3.4%, which means that if we go back and look at our charts at 7:30 p.m. for February 27th, 2024 for AUD, we should see this market selling. right? And it will sell almost immediately at the time the news is updated because it takes about 20 seconds before the report is actually posted. So let's head over to TradingView and let's see how accurate news trading is and if this is something you like to incorporate into your trading style. So if you click this little calendar at the bottom of your TradingView screen, it will pull up the dates and you can choose exactly where you want to look. So we're going to go to February 27th and we're going to go to 7:30 p.m. and we're going to see if the market actually sold at that time. So once I click go to, we can see that this is the candle that we want to pay attention to. And we can see at 7:30 p.m. after the news came out, the market actually did decline, right? The market actually did decline, which is awesome. And this is exactly what you want to see when you are trading the news. Now, will this be accurate 100% of the time? No. But if you can start to use the news to your advantage, I promise you, you will have better results. And we can see that the market dropped from 655,569 and it initially went to 65302, which is about 25 pips, which isn't bad for a standard trade. Now, if we continue to look at this market, we can see that it continued to decline. And if you would have waited about a day, 24 hours, then you could have secured 67 pips in this trade. Now, 67 pips is not bad at all. If you were only using a dollar risk, you would have made $67. And if you were using $2 per pip, you would have made $134. Now, imagine entering that trade twice and you made $268 in 24 hours from clicking a button and just simply paying attention to the news report. So if you really want to back test this theory, I encourage you guys to again visit forexfactory.com. I want you to choose a time and a currency pair and look at the actual versus the forecast. I want you to open it up and see what the specs say and let me know if it was accurate. Now, if you guys are going to try this, I would love to hear about it. Leave me some comments below and let me know what you learned and if this was a helpful tip. Again, I'm Cha Cha, and that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.